Good morning from Buenos Aires. We're going to be traveling in South America for the next 3 months, and Debbie's good friend Sabrina will be joining us. It's my first time here in South America, and the thing I'm most excited for first is to try some authentic Argentinian steak. Attraction here, which surprisingly is a bookstore. We just got to this one square with a bunch of tango dancers. Buenos Aires has a great, relaxed Latino atmosphere where you can enjoy a delicious steak in one of many restaurants. This week it's actually also Carnival here in Buenos Aires. Apparently one of the trends is that all of these kids get like this spray shaving cream and sprays themselves with it. Couple nights in Buenos Aires, and after a little bit of planning online, we booked this night bus that takes 13 hours and took that to Mendoza. We rented some bikes and are going to check out some of the local vineyards and maybe even do some wine tasting. Loving Argentina so far. First, we were a bit concerned about some things here, like security, but after a while, it wasn't really an issue. We feel quite safe here, and although you hear always like a lot of things about how dangerous and how much crime there is here, we've never really noticed anything, and actually a lot of the times we had the feeling like we're walking around in a city in Europe and we're comparing a lot of the streets to Barcelona. so security hasn't really been an issue so far. Tomorrow we're taking another night bus and heading to our next destination, so stay tuned to see more of Argentina.